Hello and welcome. This is John Koimbori. I'm going to be taking you a group video interfacing a keyboard, and I'm creating a short tutorial that explains how to interface a keyboard to the 8051 microcontroller. So the first step is to how to create the flowchart, and how you want to do that is you want to go to draw.io, which is our website, draw.io, and this is the website that we create our flowcharts. And in my case, I have a finished flowchart, which is right here. And basically, it goes through uh, the program codes for each line of my program. Start and end have the oval function, and everything in between, which is a process, has a rectangle. And we have the arrows that show the direction of program flow. Next is how to create the .h file. Uh, what you want to do here is you want to open Cal Microvision and write your program. So this is a program that switches on the 4 leftmost LED if user presses 3, and 4 rightmost LED if the user presses 9 on the keyboard connected to the microcontroller. Port 0 is connected to LEDs. Port 1 is connected to the rows R0, R1, R2, and R3. And then we have port number 2, which is connected to the columns C0, C1, C2, and C3. We also have the program code, the lines of code. So in this case, we have the start, and then we have configuring port 2 as an input port all the way to the end of the function. Once you write your program, you want to click on File, you want to click on File, and then you want to click on Save As. Name your program and finish with a .asm first, and then once you're done, you just build a target. You can press F7 as a shortcut, but there is a F7 right here, but there's a button here, F7, and then that's gonna build your hex file. And once you have your hex file, that's the file that you're gonna be loading onto your microcontroller using the real-time. So after that, the next step is to load the program on the 8051. So you connect your microcontroller onto uh, your PC, and then you go to real-time. Real-time is right. Let me open real-time. So straightforward up. Once your 8051 is connected to the PC, you're gonna hit enter, and there's gonna be uh, the interface here which will come on, and then you want to go to send, and then three dots. In my case, my hex file is right here, and it's named keyboard interfacing, which is right here, keyboard interfacing.hex. Open, it comes on here, and then you click send, and it goes on to your microcontroller. When you get G's with percentages, that means it was successfully loaded. After that, where we want to go is wired, how to the circuit wired, and here's my circuit. So I'm gonna zoom in here so you can see clearly. You can see the connection from the keypad onto the microcontroller. And you can see my port 0, my port 2, and my port 1 are all being utilized. And then after the whole connection has been done, pressing 3, you can see the 4 leftmost go on, and pressing 9 the 4 right must go on. So this is the actual circuit working, and this is how it looks. I think that's it. Thank you very much.